Okay, today we're going to show you how to search something in Gmail. So the first step is to click this button to open up a new tab. Then you'll type in gmail.com to open up the email. Now you can search in a couple of ways. One of the first ways is to put your cursor in this search bar at the top. And today I'm looking for Ashley's email. So I type her name in and click on her name when it pops up. Here are all the emails that are associated with Ashley. Another way to search for something is within file folders. So you click the more labels, and then you can scroll through the existing files and click on one such as Winter 2017 and find all of the emails that go along with that folder.